Welcome back to Hydrology Hub. In hydrological modeling, everything starts with runoff, and runoff begins with one powerful number, that is the curve number. In today's lecture, we will learn how to assign curve numbers to a sub-basin in HEC-HMS using global curve number data and GIS systematically, accurately, and professionally. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to download global curve number data, how to export sub-basin shapefiles from HEC-HMS, how to clip curve number data to your basin, and finally, how to compute weighted curve numbers for each sub-basins. So let's get started. For developing a rainfall runoff model in HEC-HMS, we will assign sub-basin method. So for here, the sub-basin methods we will consider loss method as SCS where we have to assign the curve number, then transform method as SCS unit hydrograph where we have to assign the lag time. For base flow, we will consider the recession, and for reach, we will consider the routing method as Muskingum method. Now, important thing is how to get the curve number for sub-basin. Now here you can see the global hydrological curve number explorer is there. So you can explore the global hydrological curve number from here. It provides the graded hydrological curve numbers. So once you click on the website, so it will open this website. So it provides the global curve number. If you select here the curve number, so it provides the average curve number, wet and dry conditions curve number. Here you can select the country, and for the particular country you can see the curve numbers for different. So here I have selected the India, and you can see the average curve number for India. Okay, so here, and the resolution for this curve number is the 250. Now we will go to the literature or the paper where it gives the curve numbers. So I'll select this one here. You just see in the document this like paper is there. So we'll select the concerned paper. You can see the Zafar HH paper. I have clicked over there. So here it provides the global curve number dataset for hydrological modeling. So this is for different conditions. Is there curve 1, 2, 3 is there. So we'll download this curve number here. You can see these are the 4 files are provided here. And you can see the list view or file view. So this is the list view is there. So from the list view, we'll select the ERC2 file. Okay, so it is being downloaded. So this file GCN 250 ERC2 is downloaded now. You can find this file in downloads. So the file is being downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can see it in the downloads. So I'll see. So in the download it is available. So in HEC-HMS, we have to export the shape file. So for that, we'll go in GIS and export the shape file of the sub-basins. We select the sub-basins here. Okay, we've given that what type, we've given the sub-basin, next, and we'll give the file name here. So here the file name we have provided, sub-basin, and then we have to press the finish button. Okay, So it will have. Now we'll open this shapefile in the QGIS. So I'm opening the QGIS. So once the QGIS is open, first of all, we'll add the layers, both the raster and the vector layer. So first we'll add the raster layer. Okay. So in the raster layer, we will add the curve number here. So the data we have downloaded, the curve number data, we'll upload here. So this raster file of the data, CN data, is added in the QGIS. It will take some time because this is the data for the whole world. So now it has come. So this curve number data has come. This raster file, this is a raster file. Zoom this one and you can see that the India portion is there. So this is the whole world curve number data is available. So this is the global curve number data is there. Now the next part is that we will add the vector layer of our sub-basin, which we have exported from the HEC-HMS. So here, and here you can see in this global datasets, if you click somewhere here in the map, you can find that what is the curve number at different points. Okay, at different grids, what is the grid, your curve number is there. You can see all these curve numbers. Now I'll go to the layer and add vector layer of my sub-basins layer. I'll add the sub-basin layer which I have exported from HEC-HMS. I am importing here or adding here in the QGIS. This I have added. So you can see here this layer is being added. So this is the vector layer of sub-basins. Now I'll clip this curve number for the sub-basin. So I have selected and input the curve number and the layer as the my sub-basin and then extracting the curve numbers. So these are being extracted. This will also take some time because it will be matching the boundary of the sub-basins and extracting all the data from the global curve number datasets to suit my sub-basins. Okay. So now the data is extracted. You can see it will take a little bit time. Read the data. Now you can see. Now it has come. You can see this. It has clipped the data, curve number data for the sub-basin. Now the next part is that when the curve number is clipped for the sub-basin, so now we have to find out the weighted curve number for each sub-basin. Okay. For that, for doing that, first of all, what we will do, we'll go to the raster here. So prior to that, we can see that for different grids, there are different curve numbers are there. Okay, in this one, so you can just check that your extracted curve numbers are rightly shown here. They are providing the values. So we are clicking over there. Somewhere it shows the curve number as 79, 72, something like that. So here is 72, right? 79, 72 is there, 70 is there. So likewise, we have different curve numbers at different places. Okay. Now, once you have the different curve numbers at different places in the sub-basins, so we, specifically in HEC-HMS, we want a weighted curve number. Okay. For that, we'll convert this polygon here, or this clipped one, to the polygon. Means from raster we are converting to vector here. This was a raster, so that we can utilize it in the weighted model. So we are converting this raster to vector so that it can provide the curve numbers over there. Now it is completing. So it will take a little bit time. After that, we will go for the weighted curve number. We'll select here. You can see here we have selected sub-basin and then the vector, and then we'll select the curve number here and then compute close. So here we can see that the curve number for weighted curve number, it is giving 72.7, and here it is giving the 71 point values. So here we can consider that the 72 and 71 as the curve number for the two sub-basins. Okay, this way we got the curve numbers here. If you found this lecture useful, like the video, subscribe to Hydrology Hub, drop your questions in the comments, press the bell icon. In the next lecture, we will explore lag time and Muskingum parameters for reach routing. Until then, keep modeling, keep learning. This is Hydrology Hub.